Hello guys! So ito ang ating reading for Libra singles. Ang concentration ng reading natin, hahatiin ko siya sa dalawa. Ang una ay money and then sumunod ay ang love. Take only what resonates kasi hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Of course, hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra single sa mundo. So, sana makuha ko yung sayo. Para sa gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko yan guys, open siya sa personal reading. Ako, kung gusto mo namang ma-experience yan sa akin, pumunta ka na lang sa TikTok, hanapin mo yung bracelet na available doon sa aming TikTok shop na may kasamang tarot reading, palm reading, or astrological reading. Okay? So, let's start the reading. What do we have here for Libra singles? Money muna tayo, ha? Okay, for money. Messages for Libra single pagdating sa pera. Three of Pentacles, Eight of Swords. Okay. Two of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, the King of Swords, and the Three of Cups, the Page of Swords. Okay. What is the advice dito? Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Cups, the Devil, the Nine of Swords, Ace of Wands. Okay. Okay, Libra single. Three of Pentacles, I can see growth pagdating sa pera mo, pagdating sa career, pera. Kung ano man yung mga inaaral mo, if you're studying something, nakakita rin tayo ng growth dyan. Of course, with the Hanged Man, kailangan mo na maghintay, huwag ka magmadali. And with the Eight of Swords, I feel like you are currently stuck into something. So, maaaring may mga iba kautangan or maybe sitwasyon na parang hindi nagmo-move or hindi gumagalaw para sa'yo or something na pwedeng hindi mo maalisan or hindi mo maaksyonan itong bagay na to because you're stuck, no? With the Two of Pentacles, I see that you are distracted, okay? But yung distraction mo ngayon is helping you para magkaroon ka ng growth sa sarili mo. With regards to your money, pwede nagkakaroon siya ng gaganda, papangit, parang gano'n, yung parang pabalik-balik. May times na may magandang kinikita, may times na hindi masyado or mas marami yung bayarin. But I can see yung, sabi ko nga, if you are distracted or may ibang kumukuha ng attention mo and hindi mo nagagawa ng masyado yung yung trabaho mo or something. For example, halimbawa, pag uwi mo, after work, 'di ba? After work, uwi ka, may libro kang binabasa na something na may kinalaman sa hobby mo or gusto mo talaga, pwedeng maybe something to do with arts, no? Yung energy doon is ituloy mo lang. Kasi, maybe, ngayon you see this as distraction or kumakain ng oras mo or something na pwedeng sabihin na nating hindi mo pa masyadong gamay. Pero in the future, pwedeng magiging gamay mo ito eh. Whatever skills, talents, no? Pwedeng in the future makatulong sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng maanuhan mo ito, mapalago mo ito, or mapagkakitaan din. Yan, or mai-add sa current career or business na meron ka. Okay? So, yan, iba sa inyo. Halimbawa, pag uwi mo, manonood ka ng mga video regarding sa pagluluto, pagbe-bake. And then soon enough, pwedeng mag-alok ka na rin ng gano'n. Pagdating ng Pasko, ng New Year, mag-aalok ka o sino sa inyo gusto ng mag-order ng cake or something gano'n. Then soon enough, pwede mo pagkakitaan mo siya. So sana nakaka-relate ka. It could be anything. Example lang naman yung nabanggit ko. But anyway, the Page of Swords and the Three of Cups, may naiinggit sa'yo. May naiinggit sa'yo. Natutuwa ako dito sa mga naiinggit natin. It could be a friend or a friend who sees you as parang may tinatago. Like, I'm your friend, pero meron akong hidden agenda sa'yo. Parang ganon. So, this person is naiinggit sa mga achievements mo or sa kung ano yung mga meron ka. Well, you are, nakikita namin hindi ka naman mayabang, hindi ka naman yung tipo ng tao na talagang nagyayabang or pero hindi ko alam kung ano kayo naiinggitan nitong taong to, but pwedeng nandyan siya or nandyan sila pag may celebration and they are happy sa mga achievements mo, but deep inside they are naiinggit kasi bakit ikaw may ganito, may ganyan. 'Di ba? Anyway, Nine of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and the Devil. This is the advice actually. Kung ano man yung mga problem sa'yo, makakaalis ka din dyan. Like, maybe this is your karma. It's part of life. It's part of, it's part of who you are. If you do have a business, tapos nagkakaroon ka ng problem, the Nine of Swords, kasama yun sa lesson na dapat mong matutunan. You know what I mean? Sa career, ganun din. Hindi naman all the time maganda yung career. May times din naman na nakaka-stress, may problema, etc. Kasama yun kasi with the Devil, talaga susubukin ka eh. But with the Ace of Wands, laging may new beginnings. Laging may after nito, may matututunan ka and might be this time. And also, I can see really a new beginning with you, nagagawain soon. Pero nakikita natin na apply mo na yung mga natutunan mo dito with the Devil and the Nine of Swords. And also, that is the advice for you. Kung ano man yung mga problema, yung mga hindi mo magagandang karanasan with regards to your situation right now, apply mo yon sa kung ano man yung new beginning na gagawain mo. Okay? And you are the Nine of Cups. I mean, sa lahat ng card dito, sa deck na ito yung pinaka, sabihin na natin mataba, majubis. Ngayon, this is power. This is money. Kumbaga yung picture is hindi ka naman tataba ng ganyan kung wala kang enough resources, enough knowledge, enough money. And you see the cups there, achievements yun. And this is you will gain a lot of power, achievements, and money, in the future. Pero kasama talaga doon is yung babagsak ka muna or may pagbagsak kang mararanasan. Okay? Buti sana kung mananalo lang sa loto para madali, Pero hindi eh. Yung sa'yo, kung ano man yung achievements mo, dadaan ka muna sa hirap or dadaan ka muna sa pagsubok. Okay, let's move on to the next part of the reading, which is love reading. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? Singles, please. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Single Libra, please. What do we have here for single Libra? Para sa mga single na Libra, isang shuffle na lang. Okay, thank you Spirit guys, Angel guys. Single Libra, love. Okay, you do have the Fool, the Devil, Page of Pentacles. Okay, Nine of Cups, the Judgment, the Wheel of Fortune, and Page of Cups. Okay, I hate to say this, Libra, no? Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck, Nine of Pentacles, this is you, Nine of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. Kaya mo ang sarili mo eh. Justice card yan. This is you, Libra. You are the Justice card. Kung makikita mo yung Justice card, lagi siya may hawak na na parang panimbang. And the advice for you there is, kumuha ka ng person na papantay sa'yo. Diba? Wag kang makikipag-commit sa person na mas below sa'yo or mas ma-overpower ka niya. What you need in your life is friend or partner wherein maybe there's relationship, there's friendship, there's goals, shared goals together. There's this pagkakapareho at pagkakapantay sa inyo with regards to your status, with regards to your reputasyon, with regards to your thinking and everything, and pati na rin sa emotion, yung papantay sa'yo. Do not get a child here with the Page of Cups and the Page of Pentacles, wherein high chance yan na makakuha ka ng immature na tao, ng maybe some of you not even once, but maybe ilang beses kang pwedeng ma-fall or makuha ng taong immature. And maybe with the devil, someone who is narcissist, someone who only thinks about his or herself, someone na magte-take power over you. And you do have the Nine of Cups. Guys, babae ka man or lalaki, maganda ka. I mean, babae ka man, lalaki, LGBTQIA+, maganda ka. Tignan mo yung sarili mo sa salamin. Maganda ka, pogi ka, you are someone who deserve the same charisma na meron ka. Huwag ka magpakasettle sa hindi talaga okay. No, I'm not saying na huwag ka pumatol sa pangit, pero sa part na ito, oo, sinasabi ko yun. Huwag kang pumatol sa hindi, pangit siya. Tingin ko hindi niya ako lolokohin, ganto ganyan. Feeling ko, siya yung tipo ng tao na mabait or what. Ito yung time na judge your book by its cover. Dito natin siya i-apply. Kasi some of you, na-attract mo talaga yung mga taong ganon. Hindi kagandahan, hindi kapugian, pero yun na nga ang itsura, tapos ganun pa ang ugali. Na-attract mo talaga sila eh. Kasi masyado ka ring mabait. Masyado kang, sabihin na natin medyo uto-uto. Ganun. And nakikita nila yung kahinaan mo. You are vulnerable with the judgment. Nakikita nila, ay, kayang-kaya ko to, ganto ganyan. Eh di ang ending yan, sila ang jackpot, 'di ba? So wag kang magpa-fall, wag kang mahulog sa mga ganon. Magtingin ka or maghanap ka ng ka-level mo. You are a Libra. Okay? And with the Wheel of Fortune, this is you. No? Yung Wheel of Fortune, this is about pagbabago. Yung ganitong klaseng mindset, ang pagbabago na ito, sa sarili mo yan. Ang magbabago ng buhay mo, ng thinking mo, hindi ako, sarili mo. Okay? And that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Maybe kasi yung mga ka-level mo, kaya hindi sila kumo-connect. Kasi pwedeng tingin nila masyadong, baka hindi mo sila pansinin, ganun. Tapos ito, may mga malalakas ang loob, sila ang gumagawa ng actions. But anyway, kung wala pa naman, advice na yun sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.